Hi everyone, welcome to my second AGI work in progress video, and this is week 4. This week I will continue to explore and develop my Studio1 project. In my last video, I introduced my 2D keyframing animation idea with a very simple storyline and character design. So this video will continue to explore more about motion graphic animation. Let's start by some examples which I think they are helpful. This video from CNN International has a strong flat style. What makes it look so unique is that it uses almost nothing but green color. The transition from the plan to the book is fluent, and the background design is also very clean. I love this part, the background slowly falling in the green. It looks very comfortable. In my opinion, this kind of transition by item to item is a nice mention, and the flat style also can use for graphic design. I also have a lot of plans in background for my project, so this will be a good references for me. Now going back to my project, I realized that I need to make some changes as I was planning before. My first plan was to design the scenes and the character first, then work on the animatic from week 5 to 6. But I found that it's difficult to calculate and imagine how many scenes I'm gonna use, and what the details look like. So I defined my story first, and then I drew a rough storyboard on the paper. By the way, I like to draw on paper first so that I can take notes. Then I did my animatic. After a few changes and got some good feedback, this version is my favorite one. I try to keep it simple and easy to understand because it doesn't have any dialogue, but it's still an interesting story. In addition to animatic, I also completed the design of some objects and backgrounds, such as the change of the girl's clothes. Then the objects, most of these objects are transformed by the boy's magic wand. I designed a diamond on the wand, make all deformation objects have one thing in common, and keep the same color, so that even without the changing animation, people can notice that these are the same items. And since in characters, I draw them in a flat illustration style. I have not finished all the scenes I need. I plan to complete them before the end of the 5th week. Now these backgrounds may seem a little bit bright because it's in the dream. I want to reflect some different things from reality, like a frenzy feeling. So when returned to reality, it should be able to reduce some saturation. This is what I'm doing from week 3 to week 4, and as I mentioned before, the next 2 weeks I'm going to finish all of my background design. After I did some research, I found that although my character designs separate in layers, but there are still some difficulties in Animate. Using After Effects plugins to create a 2D character model may be a fast way to doing animation. This plugin can make 2D layers file work like a 3D model, like rigging. I hope I can finish the scene's design as soon as possible, then I can create a 2D character model in After Effects. So this is what I want to talk about in this video. Thanks for watching.